Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope so you all are fine and you have done all the previous tasks given to you related to the angles, construction of angles. Now in this lecture we are going to start an exercise related to the angles. So open your booklet, page number 73. Let's start. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. An acute angle is any angle greater than 0 degree but less than dash degree. Mean you have to write the degree over here according to the definition of acute angle. An angle which is greater than a right angle but less than 180 degree is called an dash angle. Right angle mean 90 degree. So you have to write the name of the angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. A reflex angle is any angle which is greater than dash degree but less than dash degree. You have to write the both degrees in which reflex angle lies. D part, two right angles make dash angle. When you will combine two right angles, like one right angle is equal to 90 degree, if there will be two right angles mean 90 plus 90, then what will be the total degree? You have to write the name of angle according to the degree. The arms of a right angle meet each other at dash. When you will construct the right angle where the arms of the angle will meet to each other, you have to write that point. Next is state whether the following are true or false. A reflex angle is greater than 180 and less than 360. Whether this option is correct or incorrect according to the definition of reflex angle. The sum of all angles on a line add up to 180. You have to check whether this statement is true or false. The sum of all angles on a line add up to 180 means sum is 180. Angles at point add up to 180. When you will add the angles, the total degree is 180. So what is the condition whether this one is true or false? The point where two arms of the angle meet is called the vertex. Now, as I told you during the use of the protractor, from that lecture you can easily check the answer whether this one is true or false. There are 90 degree in a straight angle. Check this one. According to the definition of straight angle, you can easily check whether this one is correct or incorrect. Come to the next one. Question. Select the correct answer from the given options. Different options are given. You have to choose the correct one answer. Okay. Number 1. An angle greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. This angle is obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle or acute angle. An angle greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. According to definition, you will check whether this angle is obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle or an acute angle. C part, the number of the right angles in a straight line is 1, 2 or 3. When you will draw a straight angle like 180 degree, then how many 90s will be there? Right angle mean 90. 190, 290, 390s or 490s. Next question is measure the following angles with the help of protractor. Use the protractor, put the protractor over here. The vertex, this vertex should be along with the origin of the protractor and this arm should be along with the baseline of the protractor. By using the correct position of protractor, measure these all angles and write the degrees in the given boxes. Clear? Come to your booklet, page number 74. Next question is construct the following angles: right angle, acute angle, reflex angle and obtuse angle, and the names of the angles are also given. Mean when you will write the angle in the notation form, you have to give the name ABC to the right angle, STU acute angle, EFG reflex angle, PQR obtuse angle. Now here you can see, as I told you, the middle one is the vertex. The middle point is actually the vertex. So you have to construct the angle in these middle points, and you can take any degree by yourself according to the definition. Like right angle is always for 90, it means it will be 90 degree. Acute angle less than 90 degree, so you can take any degree less than 90. For reflex you can take any degree greater than 180 and less than 360. But for reflex angle you have to follow the rule that firstly you will subtract the given angle, selected angle, from 360, then you will draw the remaining angle. And this one, obtuse angle greater than 90 and less than 180, you can take any degree between these two. Next one is calculate these reflex angles using protractor. Now you have to calculate the degree of these two reflex angles and then write the degrees over here. This box is just given for the calculation. As I told you, there is a rule for the reflex angle that you have to subtract. So this portion is for the first angle for the subtraction for the calculation, and this portion is for this second angle. Do the calculation in the given boxes and measure the angle, what is the angle, and also mention the reflex angle over here in the outer part. Okay. Come to the next page of your booklet, page number 75. Last question is draw these angles using protractor. Use a protractor and draw the angle of 40 degree, 90 degree, 55 degree, 60 degree, 145 degree, 115 degree. Acute angle, right angle, acute angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and obtuse angle. So use the protractor, and your protractor should be in the correct position, then you can only construct the correct degree of the angle. Okay students, hope so you can do this exercise, you can solve this exercise by yourself very easily, because all the lectures are delivered to you. You can take the help from those lectures. Still, if you will have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.